The OLMO 14,000 BTU Through-the-Wall Air Conditioner is a powerful and efficient solution designed to deliver both heating and cooling all year round. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this air conditioner in the description below at the latest price. Ideal for residential, commercial, and hospitality spaces, this versatile wall unit combines functionality with smart technology to offer maximum climate control with minimal hassle. With 14,000 BTU/H cooling and up to 10,600 BTU/H heating capacity, it's capable of managing comfort across mid to large rooms effortlessly. The included wall sleeve simplifies installation and ensures a flush, secure fit within any standard through-the-wall opening. One of the standout features of the OLMO air conditioner is its multi-option control system. It comes equipped with a remote control for easy use from across the room, a front-facing digital push-button panel with an LED display, and built-in Wi-Fi functionality that allows full control via compatible smartphone apps. Whether you're adjusting the temperature from your bed, office desk, or while you're away from home, convenience is always at your fingertips. This level of flexibility makes it ideal for tech-savvy homeowners, hotel rooms, or offices where access to quick, remote temperature adjustments enhances daily comfort. Efficiency and modern design are also key highlights of this model. It uses R32 refrigerant, which is known for its lower environmental impact and high energy efficiency. Running on a 230V connection, this air conditioner maintains reliable performance while keeping energy consumption balanced. Its white compact frame fits neatly into most decor styles, while a noise level of just under 60 decibels ensures a relatively quiet operation for better concentration, sleep, or relaxation. In summary, the OLMO 14,000 BTU Through-the-Wall Air Conditioner offers a dependable and intelligent solution for spaces requiring consistent year-round climate control with the added benefit of smart tech and energy-conscious operation.